What's up and good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, December 28th, and we got a storm coming. It's supposed to be all freezing rain today until 2 o'clock in the morning, and then it's going to turn to 25, 30 centimeters of snow between tonight all the way till tomorrow night, Monday night. So we're going to go to shop. Got some stuff to do around there. Load up the sanders. I'll take you guys along. All right. Oh, I gotta put air in the bags, but I got washer fluid. Okay, we need a jug out of here for the truck. I hate that they don't make the reservoir enough to hold a full one of these, you know? Like what's up with that? Clean the headlights. Boom, 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 doo, doo, doo. How much sand is in here? Okay. Now we gotta put sand in there. Sand in there and put the tarp on. Hello.
Hey, Will.
How's it going?
Not bad, you?
Oh, living the dream every day.
Thanks for helping me out yesterday.
Yeah, don't sweat it. It's all good. It's all good. No
I
problem.
just needed to get so they can get in and out of their parking. You see how much freaking snow there was?
Yeah, no shit. That was a big one.
Drift in Coniston there, well, they never plowed the road there, so when you do it, it throws a lot of freaking snow.
Yeah, that was a big hill for sure. I want to see how much sand is in this truck, because I'm thinking there's not much in here. Oh, that never got cleaned off. You never cleaned that off. You've been driving around full of snow. It is frigid outside. It's not that cold though. I think -7 my truck said. I don't foresee it raining. Oh, I gotta put that back on before the rain comes. Oh, it's pretty much full. Let's put one bucket in there. 1 or 2 buckets in mine. Put the tarps back on. We'll be good to go. Chunk in there. I don't like that chunk. There it is. Bring it up. Jeez. I'm almost gonna have to order another load of sand. Okay, sanders are full. Cleaned up the yard a little bit. I gotta put the tarp back on the sand pile before the rain hits. And now I'm gonna put both covers on both sanders just to keep it as dry as possible in the case that we do get this 5 to 10 millimeters of freezing rain that they're calling for. Yeah. Hi, buddy.
What's up, Will?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? What are you wearing?
I'm currently wearing a Lulu sweater and Lulu pants.
Bro, I'm wearing Lulu pants. I'm at the shop. I just finished loading my 2 trucks.
Fuck, that's bad timing. That's really bad timing.
Why? What up?
Well, I'm still like an hour away from home. Not quite, a little less than an hour away from home.
And then you were gonna come here?
Well, I can come when, like, honestly, it doesn't matter. Whatever's easiest for you. We were just trying to plan out our afternoon. Because we're not going to go until early morning anyways, but it'd be nice to load it up today, so it's done.
Yeah, well, I don't think you're gonna sand in the morning, are you?
I don't know.
With 30 centimeters of snow?
I know, but the thing is, like, technically it's supposed to be sanded every time we plow it.
Oh,
so
okay.
that's the problem.
Okay. Yeah, just, well, you can do it, like, once your day's over at, like, 5, 6 o'clock or something. I'm sure I'll go poke my head around to see what's slippery and what's not slippery.
Yeah. Just about whatever you're done. Yeah, whatever you want to do. Yeah, do what you got to do, and then just let me know.
Well, are you working today?
No, I'm coming back from Bracebridge right now. And Greg's coming back from Wednesday.
Is Greg with you?
No, this is a conference call.
Oh.
No, Greg's with me.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. Fuck, I just work here, man. Well, whenever you get back in town, just give me a shout or shoot me a text or something. We'll figure it out. It's not a big deal.
Okay, sounds good.
If I can come back. I can come back later. I'm not really doing anything.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it.
Okay, bye.
Bye, bye.
Oh, I don't want to get my feet all full of snow. Okay. I get the tarp for the big sander. There we go. Well, that's it for now. Now we just sit around and wait for the freezing rain or the snow or the both or only the snow or whatever. Sit around and wait for it to hit and go from there. I'll pick up the camera again once something hits the ground and see you then. What is up and good morning. It is 1:56 here on Monday morning and we got a lot of ice. A lot of ice. I can't even turn on my wipers. I'm gonna scrape off my windshield and then we're gonna go figure out what we're gonna do with all this. Problem solved. I'm gonna mount you guys up on a windshield there. No, I forgot my suction cup mount. Well, we're gonna I'm gonna go drive around, see what needs to be done. plowing in the truck, cleaning up a couple of drive lanes out here. And then we're gonna head back, get the machine, and go clean up everything in town. It's a really weird snow. It's like, just ice pellets. It's about 2 inches of ice pellets. It's not pleasant. But nonetheless, we're gonna get cleaned up, and we'll see you in a bit. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God! Ow! Hi, Paul.
Are you finally woken up?
Yeah, I was gonna get up in like half an hour anyways, but yeah. It's fucking weird snow, eh?
It's fucking sugar. That's what I call sugar.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Yeah.
Fucking sugar. It's hard to push too, eh?
Yeah, I don't know. I pushed with my truck out in Lively. I just got in the loader just now. I was just a buddy of mine on the phone there. He also plows snow, and we were just talking about how crappy this snow is, but also how cool it looks when you're plowing. It's just like sugar. It's almost like you're plowing sugar. It's kind of what it reminds me of. Can't stack it, just falls right back down the hill. And the storm hasn't even started yet. We're supposed to get another 30 centimeters of snow today. That's what they're saying. What would a car be doing here at 3:30 in the morning? this up a little bit more here. Try to keep as much room in here as we can. That's good enough. That's good enough for now. And on to the next. I really haven't been recording that much because everything's just icing up. The windshield wiper keeps getting iced up, and then you wouldn't be able to see out of the camera anyways. Come see, come saw. All done. I got 2 more places to plow. I don't think I'm gonna film them because we got another 30 centimeters coming, so we're gonna get a lot more footage tonight. So I'll leave it at that, and I'll catch up with you guys later today. Well, I just left the shop here. I'm just gonna go home, grab a bite to eat, grab a coffee, wait for a little bit more to stack up before we go back out for round 2. It's turned into quite the miserable storm out here. But it's all good. It's what we live for. So we'll see you back when we hit round 2. Well, that little rest didn't last very long. It is snowing like crazy outside. So we're back. We're back into pickup truck. Just doing the main drive area. Drive-through, stuff like that. All right, back at the shop. Current plan is to put the loader outside and bring my truck inside to A, thaw all the ice and everything off of it, and B, one of the wipers is broken and it's windy as hell outside, so I'm not changing that in the wind. So we got a little bit of musical vehicles to play here. Well, that's a process. Talk about a tight fit. Huh. Couple inches to spare, if that. Okay, I want to get this wiper switched right away. I'm gonna let it thaw first, actually. 2024. Always keep parts on hand. All right, that's there, ready to go. Truck is in here. Get all this ice off of here. Break it all up. And I think I'm gonna put on that heater too. Yeah, as you can see, it is tight squeeze back here. Let all that melt out of there. All the ice and snow melt off. Flood this place. We're gonna go be productive. Go make some money. Yeah, it's snowing up pretty good now. I don't know if we're gonna get the full foot that they were calling for. It's too windy. It's definitely accumulating though. That's not good. That's not good. Eee. Oh, and he's just driving away. He's gonna try to. I'm sure his tire's all screwed up. That's funny. And we're back. It is 10 o'clock. And we're just getting started to clean up some of the commercial stuff. Shouldn't be all that bad. Didn't really snow that much. I mean, it snowed quite a bit, but it was blowing around quite a bit. So half the parking lot is bare and the other half is got a foot of snow on it. And just like that, no more ice. I'm gonna spray it off real quick. Where's the hose? I'm just gonna spray off some of the dirt. Oh, and I gotta put a new wiper on. Oh, there we go. Garbage. Okay, well, I'm not convinced that that's right, but it's right for now. All right, loader in, truck outside, ready to go. I'm not gonna wash it because it's coming out tomorrow morning. First thing, to go clean up at the apartment complex. I'm gonna go sanding, sand just a couple of places that are open first thing tomorrow morning. I got one more driveway to hit on the way home, but that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.